The thing that I wanted to share about, after all these years of being in healthcare, I was a primary care doctor for a long time, and now I work mostly in public health, is that an issue like asthma can be very, it can feel like you're very helpless, right? Like you don't control the air that you breathe, right? Like you're walking around, you have to breathe it in, and it seems like there's a ton of factors beyond our control. But I think the thing that I've seen, particularly since I've worked in public health and learned a lot of it during the pandemic, is that when we, just like certain things like air pollution or poverty or living close to an oil refinery can impact you in a way that feels hard to control, there are things that we can do to get together with other people that are protective. So when we work in community, when we do things like the Thrive, like try to take health into our own hands, that actually creates health. It's a way to create health and a way to protect yourself. So, yeah.
Great.